welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Model School. So, in the previous video, we have just reached to the exercise 1E. In that, we have seen the question number 1 and question number 2. Now, moving forward to question number 3. Question number 3. From that, we will do any of the 5. So in that we will do first of all, that is A. The question is 39 into A, okay, which is the multiplication, and then after round off, that is, then after we will do, that is C, that is 91 into 4, then after E, that is 73 into 7, then after G, 36 into 4, then after I, that is 74 into 7. So here first of all, round off, then after estimate, and then after correct. Okay, so let us do okay students, so here let us do this. So the first one, 39 into 8, it is given. So what we will just round off. So here I can say that 40 into 8. 40 into 8. Here it is 39 and it is 8. So I can just round off it to the 40. So 4 8s are 32. So here it will be 32 and 1 0. So the answer will be 8 4s are 32 and 1 0. So your answer will be 40 into 8, that is 320. Now let us calculate the original answer, that is 39 into 8. So here 39 into 8, that is 8 9s are 72, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 3, 1, 2. Okay, so here your answer will be 3, 1, 2. That is the correct answer, and our estimated answer, that is 320. Okay, now moving forward. Okay students, next one, that is here it is 91 into 4. So here I can say 90 into 4. Okay, so 90 into 4, that is 36. 9 4s are 36. So your answer will be 360. That is the estimated answer. Now we will do the calculation, that is 91 into 4, 91 into 4, here 4 1s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So your answer is 364. Okay students, that is your answer, that is the correct answer. Now moving forward to the 73 into 7. So here 70 into 7. Okay, so 70 into 7, then here you can say 7 sevens are 49. So here 490, that is your answer. Okay, 7 sevens are 49 and 1 0 over there. So now let us calculate the correct answer. So that will be 73 into 7. So 7 threes are 21. 7 sevens are 49, 49, 50, 51. Okay, so the answer will be 511. Okay students, now moving forward, that is 36 into 4. So here we will just write 40 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, that is 160. And now let us calculate the correct answer, that is 36 into 4. So 6 4s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So here your answer will be 144. Here 160 is the estimated answer and 144 is the correct answer. Now the last one here, that is it again. We will just say 74 into 7, it is given, and we will say 70 into 7. So the answer will be 70 into 7, that is 490. Because 7 sevens are 49 and 1 0, that is 490. Then after moving towards next, that is now calculating this, that is 74 into 7. So 7 4s are 28. 7 sevens are 49, 50, 51. So 518. 518. Okay. So please write down the answers, students, and the remaining ones that you have to do by your own. If you have any doubt, then you can contact me now. Please write down this, and then after we will see question 4 and question 5. Okay students, have you written down the answers? Now moving towards question number 4. Okay, question number 4, that is add and give the approximate value in thousands. Okay, here we have to just add and give the approximate value of it. Let us do that. So question number 4, that is, from that we will verify, that is B, the equation is 4804 plus 7324. Then after D, that is 2894 plus 6794. Then after F, that is 8794 minus 2368. Then after H, that is 7743 minus 2167. Then after J, that is 8914 minus 7825. Okay, so these are the questions, and we have to give the approximate answers of it in the thousand. Okay, students. So here, let us start. So here, first of all, we have to just make the estimation over here. So here it is 4800. So I can write here 5000 plus, and here it is 7324. Then here I can write 7000 only, which is nearer. So here its answer will be 7 plus 5, that is 12. So your answer will be 12,000. Okay, your answer will be 12,000. Then after moving forward here, that is 2894 plus 6794. So here we just convert, estimate or round off, that is 3000 plus. I can write this as 3000. Okay, and writing this, that is 607. So 6794. I can write here, that is 7000. So your answer will be, that is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Moving forward, next one, here it is 8,794. So we can estimate that as 9,000. Okay, and subtracting that from 2,668, that is, I can write 2,000. So your answer will be 9 minus 2, that is 7,000. Okay, 9 minus 2, that is 7,000. Now moving towards next, here it is 7,743. I can write here, that is 8,000. Okay, and subtracting that, here is also 2,167. That is, I can write round off, that is 2,000. Okay, students, and subtracting 8 minus 2, that is 6. So here it will be 6,000. Okay, and the last one, that is, here it is 8,914, and we can write this as 9,000. Okay, 9,000, and subtracting that, that is 7,825. And here also we can write, that is 8,000. So your answer will be 9 minus 8, that is 1,000. Okay, so please write down the answers, students. I am just giving you some time. Okay students, have you written? Now moving forward to question number 5. So here, question number 5, that is multiply and give the approximate answers. So here, question number 5, that is, we will do, that is A, 49 into 67. Next one C, 79 into 43. Then after E, that is 347 into 49. Then after G, that is 489 into 31. Then after I, that is 491 into 421. Okay, so let us calculate the answer by rounding off them. So here, that is 49, so we can round off it to 50. Okay, and here it is 67, here we can round off that to the 70. So your answer will be 7 5s are 35, and here 1 0 and another 0. So 50 into 70, that is 3500. Then after moving towards next, that is 70 is, then we can round off, that is 80. So 70 is there, then I can round up to the 80. Then here it is 43, so I can say it is 40. Okay, so your answer will be 8 4s are 32 and 2 zeros, that is 80 into 4, that is 3200 or 3200. Then after next, that is, here it is 3-digit number, that is 347. I can estimate or round up this as 300, and 49 is given, so I can say it to 50. Okay, 347 is round off by 300, and 49 is round off by 50. So your answer will be 5 3s are 15, and here it is 1 2 3. So here answer will be 15,000. Okay students, 300 into 50, that is 15,000 is your answer. Now moving forward, that is, here it is given 489, then here we will say it is round off to the 500. 489 is round off to 500, and 31 can be round off to the 30. Okay, 31 can be round off to the 30. So again I can say 5 3s are 15 and 3 zeros, that is 500 into 30, that is 15,000. Okay, now the last one, here you can see here is also 3 digit, here is also 3 digit. So 491 is there, so I can round off to 500. 491 means 491, that can be round off to the 500. Now 421, it can be round off to the 400. Okay, here 421, it is round off to the 400. So 4 5s are 20, and these 2 zeros till these 2 zeros, 1 2 3 4. So your answer will be 2 lakh. Okay, your answer will be 2 lakh. So please write down this students. What we have done here, we have to just estimate. Means here it is 49, then I can write that to 50, and here it is 67, I can write to the 70. And you know the tables of 7, that is 7 5s are 35. So here it is 35 and 1020, which we have added over here. Here it is 79, and if we just estimate that, it will be 80, and here it is 43, then it can be round off to the 40. Okay, then 8 4s are 32, and here it is 1 2 1 2 0. Then after 347 is there, that can be round off to the 300, and here it is 49, that can be round off to the 50. So 3 5s are 15, and 20 10, that is 30. Okay students, then after here it is 3 digit also again. So 498 means 489, that can be round up to 500. Okay, and 31 can be round up to the 30. So 5 3s are 15, and 1 2 3 1 2 3 zeros. And here 491, so it is near to the 500, and 421, it is near to the 400. So 4 5s are 20. Here it is 20, and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that is 2 lakh. Okay, so please write down this, and then we will start our new topic, that is Roman numbers. Okay, have you written down this, students? Now, moving forward, to the Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numerals. Here you can see a table is given first of all, which I am just drawing over here. Roman symbol, and another is Hindu Arabic number. Okay, so here I can say 1 means I, then V, that is 5, X, that is 10, L, that is 50, C, that is 100, D, that is 500, and M, that is 1000. So here you can see a table which I am just drawing. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 50, 1000, sorry, 100, 500, and 1000. So these are the Roman numbers, means Roman symbols, and what is the value of it. So here, if we talk about I, then the value of I, that is 1, V, that is 5, X, that is 10, L, that is 50, C, that is 100, D, that is 500, and M, that is 1000. You have to just buy up this table. Okay, students. Now, moving forward, there are some of the rules are there for this. So let us see one by one all the rules. Okay, students. So first of all, we will just read the introduction part of it. So one of the earliest system of writing numerals in the Roman numerals. This system is still in use in many places. For example, some faces of clock shows as in number Roman numerals. We use Roman numerals to write a number list, etc. Unlike the Hindu Arabic number system, Roman numeral system uses 7 basic symbols to represent different numbers. The symbols are as follows. So this is the table which is given. Then after rules to form a Roman numerals. So rule number 1, that is, if a symbol is repeated one after the other, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, here rule number 1. Rule number 1. So what is the rule number 1? In the Roman numerals, what happens if the digit is repeated as many times, then it is added in it. If I just give the example, that is I, that is it is repeated 3 times, then its value will be 3, means 1, I value have 1. So what will be there? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. And if I just give the another example of it, then it is, okay, if I say x, then x, then what is the value of x? That is 10 plus 10, so it will be 20. This is the rule number 1, that as many times the digit is repeated, the digit should be added in it. See here, I am just again reading that. Here, if a symbol is repeated one after the other, its value is added as many times it occurs. For example, here it is given. Then after rule number 2, that is the symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated up to the maximum of 3 times. For example, means here rule number 2. Rule number 2, that is I, X, C and M can be repeated, next 3 times, not more than that. That cannot be repeated. Okay, more it cannot be repeated. It can be repeated up to 3 times, not more than that. So here I, that is if I say 1, 2, 3, then here it is 3. Okay, if I say X, then its value is 30. If I say C, that is C, then its value is 300. Okay, because C value is 100, so 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. And also the value of M, that is M, and M, that is 3000. Okay, but it can maximum it can be repeated 3 times, not more than that. It can be repeated only 3 times, not more than that. That is the rule number 2. Now moving towards the rule number 3, that is the symbol. Rule number 3. Rule number 3, that is the symbol V, L and D. V, L and D can never be repeated. Can never be repeated. okay, cannot be repeated. Here this V means 5, L means 50 and D means 500. That cannot be repeated, okay students, that cannot be repeated. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated, but maximum it can be repeated 3 times, not more than that. So here we have seen the rule number 1, that how many times the number is repeated, it just add its value. Means here the I value is 1 and 3 i's are there, then it will be added 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Rule number 2, I, X, C and M can be repeated max 3 times. Okay students, so what will happen? I, that is 3 times, that is 3. X, that is 3 times, that is 30. And C, that is 3 times, that is 300. And M, that is 3000. Okay students, so this is the rule number 2. Now moving towards the rule number 3, that is V, L and D. Means V means 5, L means 50 and D means 500. That cannot be repeated. Okay students, that cannot be repeated. Only which I, X, C and M will be repeated. So these are the 3 rules, and there are some more rules, but that we will see in the next video. Okay students, so in your homework what you just do is, so in your homework so exercise 1E, remaining sums of question number 3, 4 and 5, and rule number 1 in the Roman numerals, rule number 1, 2 and 3, that you have to write. Okay students, so this is your homework and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.